Hi, this is a quick video to show you how to fix Ubuntu no sound problem. This works 100% for Asus Rog Strix. It's tested and working. So what do we do first? You just need to install Gedit. Sudo apt install Gedit. Your password there. I've already installed that, so I don't need to do it again. Second step, we need to edit that file. Okay, so what we have to do is, I already did this, but what we have to do is just copy that and just write it yourself and put it at the end of the file like this. Save the file. Now, very important, restart your machine. After that, when you restart your machine, you come here at the terminal again and just say sudo apt install Pavo control. Again, I already have this, but you have to do it. Then go to Pavo control, open it like this. What you have to do, go to configuration and select Pro Audio. This is very important. That should be 100%. All of these should be 100%, and then it should work. Let's test the sound.
Alright, Fitbit, let's hit this new move.
Looks like it's working.
Come on. You can have it your way.
Thanks for watching.